Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be recreating this look. I haven't done something like this in a very long time, and I thought why not do kind of like a smoky-ish thing, but then have pops of color on the side of my face on my like highlighted areas, so hence all the dots. So if you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll wait. I have nothing but time to wait, so go ahead. Alright guys, well, thank you for staying by, and let's go ahead and do this look. Alright guys, so we are again using my favorite palette as of right now, which is the 35W Morphe palette, and we are going to be using these shades of colors. And I'm taking my MAC 224 brush and I'm just brushing the skin tone eyeshadow here and just blending that in the crease. And with the same brush, I'm going to go ahead and use that darker brown and blend it in the crease. Now we're going to take another small dome brush here, and we are going to take the black and we're going to place it on the outer corner of my eye and then blending the shadow inwards. The reason I'm doing that is I want to have the black more prominent on the outside of the eye, but still have that effect that black is in the shadow. Now we're going to go ahead and add the final shade here from this palette, and unfortunately I wasn't really too happy with the outcome because it didn't really pop out like I wanted it to. So because of that, we are going to go into another palette, and this is the Too Faced Christmas in New York, the chocolate shop, and the shade I'm using is Silverbells, and I'm going to take that same flat brush and just apply that right on the lid. And as you can see, that is the shimmer I wanted. So going back in that black, we're going to blend in the middle. Alright guys, well next we're going to go ahead and finish the face. As you can see, I went ahead and completed my face off camera and added lashes and also my eyeliner. And if you need those details, you can check my other videos down below. I use and have been using the same face routine, so nothing has changed. So I thought to save you guys time, you don't need to see it again. I'll just do that off camera. And we are going to be using a nice painter brush, and you can use any brush that you have on the back of it. And what I did is I took different colors of lipstick and I just placed it on my glass desk that I have. And then I placed the brush right into the product and then immediately dipping it into my face, creating dots. And we are going to repeat this process for, I think, 5 to 6 shades. So enjoy! Now that the face is completed with all the dots, we're going to go in with my NYX Cosmetics liquid liner. We're going to line lashes. And now for the grand finale, we are using Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Mattemoiselle Clapback. I really like this lipstick. It's super creamy and matte at the same time. It really went well with this look. I really wanted to showcase it, and I'm going to stop rambling on and finish the video. Well guys, this is the final look. I hope you like it. It's something completely different that I haven't done in a very long time. I actually wanted to showcase this lipstick, and I thought the best way to showcase this lipstick is to do something that's very artistic and different, and that is why I added the different colors of the dots around my face, and I made the eyes more smoky. Let me know what your thoughts are on this look. Thanks for staying tuned. I do appreciate the love and support. Believe me, it is very motivating. I love Fenty Beauty, by the way, and I first wanted to get Clapback because it's blue. Duh. So I really like it. It's so different, but I really think this look is fun and you can play with it and maybe not do so many dots of colors and whatever. So if you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I would love to hear from you guys, and don't forget to go ahead and like the video. I'm gonna stop rambling on now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.